In this video, I'm going to go through a very common exam question on implicit differentiation. We're going to start by differentiating each individual term. So I've differentiated this first term x squared into 2x, but differentiating 4xy with respect to x is a little bit more difficult. In order to help you do it, I'm going to remind you that if you're differentiating something like 3y cubed with respect to x, what you're doing is not only differentiating it like normal, so 3 times 3 is 9 and then y squared, but then because you're differentiating with respect to x, you have to multiply onto it dy by dx. Not only that, but we have two functions multiplied together here. So we have to use the product rule in order to differentiate. You can start by calling one of the functions 4xu, the other function yv. Find the u dx and dv dx in order to then put into the right hand side of this equation. So in our case, dy dx is equal to u times dv dx, which is 4x multiplied by 1 dy dx, plus v times du dx. So that's a y multiplied by 4. So I've just written that whole thing here. So this whole thing differentiates to this. Moving on to the next term, what does minus x differentiate to? Well, it'll just differentiate to minus 1. Y squared will differentiate again to 2y, but then you have to multiply dy